Go night night. Time to go night night. Came to go for a ride to see if I could go somewhere that had power, but everybody's out of power. McDonald's, my Winn-Dixie that I was going to go to, CVS. The lights are on. The street lights are on, sort of, but all the other lights are out. I mean, I thought from a mile away from my house I'd get some power. It's just windy here. That's it. Like, really? You put the power out because it's windy? Okie dokie. We have no power. And it's funny because we used to, like, panic. We don't care anymore. It's so funny. We've done this enough times where we literally don't care. And now it's like nap time. We have no power. And we are not panicking. We're just at peace. And we don't even care. During a hurricane. Don't even care. No lights. And night. Night time. No power. Hurricane Debbie, of all names. Debbie. The house is never this quiet. There's no fish tank. There's no fans. It's quietness. Just dog feet. Dog feet. But you know what's still going? My moon's still here. My moon's still there. It's very quiet though. Thank God for these solar lights. I love them. I'm laughing because I've never heard such silence. The only thing I hear is nothing. There's wind outside. There's no noise in this house. It's crazy. Oh, except me walking on something on the floor. It's so quiet. I've never heard this quiet in my life. It is the quietest thing I've ever heard. It's never been this quiet in my house ever. Except the wind outside. But it's not scary. It's just so quiet. The fish tank is quiet. The house is so quiet. It's creepy, but it's not. It's so quiet. It's amazing how quiet it is. I've never heard such quietness. It's crazy. I'm laughing because we're so bombarded with noise all the time, and it's so quiet. Listen how quiet. No. Dogs want to go outside, but it's too quiet. Listen. This place is quiet. So quiet. Oh shit. Except Brian's snoring. Listen. Oh shit, we gotta go in there and listen to this. Oh shit, there's a dog, sorry. Oh, I think it's scary out there, but it's so quiet. Oh my gosh, so quiet. Except outside, it's busy out there. This is the best thing ever. So quiet in here. I know it sounds crazy, but you don't realize how noisy everything is all the time. I even have to use white noise to go to sleep. And now it's so quiet. Oh God. Silence is amazing. I've never had it before. Oh God, that was my throat. You heard my throat. That was my throat. Okay, more video of how quiet it is. I have to take video of how quiet it is because this is never happens. I am a little concerned about the fishies in the fish tank, but they'll be okay. Gosh. noise from Brian snoring. It's starting to die down. It's a little quiet. Oh, I lied. It's so quiet though. This is what people in other countries deal with. They don't have all the noise. I'm videoing this because we don't know what quiet sounds like. This is what quiet sounds like. Except there's oh my gosh, it's so quiet and peaceful. Everybody should experience this once in their life. Oh boy. Ooh. Good. Hurricane Debbie. You hear her, Maisie. No puppy dogs. The dogs are coming. I think I'm outside. Firmament. Oh, oh, firmament. It says that. What? Just saying. We're out of power. We're out of power, right? We're out of power now. Welcome to Florida and hurricane season. This is what we do. And we don't even care anymore. We got to the point where, do we care? We don't care. It's normal. We don't care. Power's out. No lights. I don't even know what's going on. I mean, look. I don't think... It's not even bad out here. Seriously. It's not. Yeah, we probably can't send this because we don't have any... Nothing's even happening out here. Nothing.